Castor oil has been a popular home remedy for various conditions due to its potential health and beauty benefits. Here are 7 home remedies using castor oil. Hair growth serum. Mix equal parts castor oil and coconut oil. Apply the mixture to the scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight before washing your hair. Castor oil is commonly used to promote hair health. It can help moisturize the scalp, reduce dandruff, and may improve the overall condition of hair. Some people also believe that it can stimulate hair growth, although more research is needed to confirm this. The next home remedy is as a skin moisturizer. Using castor oil and shea butter. Mix equal parts castor oil with shea butter for an extra moisturizing effect. Castor oil acts as a natural emollient, helping to moisturize and soften the skin. Apply to dry areas of the skin for hydration. It is particularly useful for dry and rough areas, and it can be applied to areas such as elbows, knees, and heels for hydration. The next home remedy is for constipation relief. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil orally for relief from occasional constipation. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil as a laxative. Choosing a safe castor oil for ingestion is crucial to ensure that you are using a high-quality product free from contaminants. Here are some guidelines to help you select a safe castor oil for ingestion. Opt for castor oil that is labeled as organic, cold-pressed, or cold-processed. Organic certification ensures that the oil is produced without synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or other harmful chemicals. Avoid products that are labeled as for external use only if you plan to ingest the oil. Choose a product that is hexane-free. Hexane is a chemical solvent sometimes used in the extraction process, and residual traces can be harmful. Avoid plastic containers, as castor oil may react with certain plastics. The next home remedy is for joint pain relief. Using castor oil, a warm water bottle or heating pad. Warm some castor oil and massage it onto the affected joint. Apply a warm water bottle or heating pad to enhance the soothing effect. Massaging the oil into the skin during application can stimulate blood circulation in the area. Improved blood flow can help deliver nutrients and oxygen to the tissues, promoting healing and reducing pain. The practice of applying castor oil with a hot compress or heating pad further enhances its effectiveness. Heat can increase the absorption of substances through the skin by dilating blood vessels and increasing blood flow. This may improve the delivery of castor oil's active components to the deeper layers of the skin and underlying tissues. Some studies suggest that ricinoleic acid may have an impact on the peripheral nervous system. By interacting with receptors or signaling pathways, it could potentially modulate pain perception. Before using castor oil or any home remedy for joint pain relief, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. The next home remedy is for eyelash and eyebrow growth serum. Using castor oil and vitamin E oil. Apply a small amount of castor oil to eyelashes and eyebrows using a clean mascara wand. Optionally, add a drop of vitamin E oil for additional nourishment. While there is limited scientific evidence specifically supporting castor oil for eyelash and eyebrow growth, the moisturizing and nourishing properties of the oil may contribute to healthier lashes and brows. The next home remedy is for fungal infection treatment. Using castor oil and tea tree oil. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with castor oil. Apply the mixture to areas affected by fungal infections, such as athlete's foot. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil contributes to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can be applied topically to reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. Some studies also suggest its potential in combating fungal infections. The next home remedy is for wrinkle reduction. Using castor oil and aloe vera gel. Mix castor oil with aloe vera gel to form a mask. Apply the mask to the face, focusing on areas with fine lines. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Aloe vera has moisturizing and soothing properties, and when combined with castor oil, it can create a hydrating mask that may help improve the appearance of fine lines. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil may contribute to reducing skin inflammation and redness associated with wrinkles. Remember to perform a patch test before using these remedies on larger areas of the skin to check for any adverse reactions. While castor oil is generally considered safe, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Now we also have to address a common trend, which is the practice of applying castor oil to the belly button. It is based on traditional beliefs and has been used in some cultures for various purposes. Below are some purported benefits and general directions on how to use castor oil in the belly button. Digestive health. It is believed to stimulate the digestive system and relieve issues such as constipation. Menstrual cramps. In certain traditions, applying castor oil to the belly button is thought to help alleviate menstrual cramps. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil may be cited for this purpose. Overall wellness. Some believe that applying castor oil to the belly button can contribute to overall wellness by promoting balance and vitality. Here are the directions on how to apply it. Choose a high-quality castor oil. Select a high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil. Cold-pressed oils retain more of their natural properties compared to oils produced through other methods. Perform a patch test. Before applying castor oil to a larger area, perform a patch test on a small section of skin to check for any adverse reactions. Clean the belly button. Ensure that the belly button is clean and dry before applying castor oil. You may clean it gently with a mild soap and water. Apply a small amount. Using a dropper or your fingertip, apply a small amount of castor oil to the belly button. Start with a few drops and gradually increase if needed. Massage in circular motions. Gently massage the castor oil into the belly button area using circular motions. The massage itself may have additional benefits for relaxation and well-being. Cover if desired. If you prefer, you can cover the belly button with a small piece of cloth or a bandage to avoid staining clothing. Repeat as needed. You can repeat this process regularly, but it's essential to monitor your skin for any adverse reactions. If you experience irritation, discontinue use. It's important to emphasize that while castor oil has been used traditionally for various purposes, scientific evidence supporting its specific benefits when applied to the belly button is limited. Additionally, individual responses to such practices may vary. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating such practices into your routine. Finding high-quality castor oil involves selecting a reputable supplier or brand that adheres to quality standards. Here are some suggestions on where to buy high-quality castor oil. Health food stores. Many health food stores and natural health retailers carry a variety of oils, including castor oil. Look for stores that prioritize organic and high-quality products. Online retailers. Reputable online retailers such as Amazon, iHerb, and Vitacost often offer a wide selection of castor oil brands. Read product descriptions, customer reviews, and check for certifications to ensure quality. Pharmacies and drugstores. Some pharmacies and drugstores carry castor oil in their natural or beauty sections. Look for products with clear labeling regarding purity and intended use. Specialty beauty stores. Specialty beauty stores, including those that focus on natural and organic products, may carry high-quality castor oil. Check for brands with a reputation for purity and effectiveness. Organic and natural markets. Stores that specialize in organic and natural products often carry high-quality oils. These stores may have a selection of castor oil options, including cold-pressed and organic varieties. Brands with certification. Look for castor oil brands that carry certifications such as USDA Organic or other relevant quality certifications. These certifications indicate adherence to specific quality and purity standards, directly from reputable brands. Some brands specialize in producing high-quality natural oils, including castor oil. Purchasing directly from such brands may ensure a reliable and pure product. Local apothecaries or herbal shops. Local apothecaries, herbal shops, or stores specializing in natural remedies may carry high-quality castor oil. Staff in these shops may also provide guidance on selecting the right product. If you learned something new, please make sure to subscribe.